How to set up and apply a percentage-based charge to transactions in AAAPOS RetailManager. AAAPOS RetailManager now includes a feature that allows you to automatically apply a percentage-based charge to every transaction. This feature is useful for applying levies, surcharges, for example, public holiday fees, service-based fees, and environmental or fuel surcharges. First, we need to create a stock item for the charge. Go to Information, then select Stock. Create a new stock item. Enter a description, for example, fuel levy surcharge. Set the item type to static quantity. Once done, press F10 to save. Next, we'll enable the automatic charge feature. Go to Setup, then Options Advanced. Find the option Automatically Add a charge item to every sale on commit. Select the stock item you just created. Then enter the percentage you want to apply. For example, 5%. Click Apply, then click OK, and OK again to exit. To make sure the settings take effect, close the sales window. Then reopen it. Now let's see it in action. Start a normal sale. When you commit the sale, a pop-up will appear saying Automatic Charge Added to Sale. Click OK. You'll now see the surcharge added to the sales grid. Press Enter to confirm the payment type. Press Enter again to finalize. And press Enter once more to commit the sale. The percentage-based charge is now automatically applied to every transaction. It is clearly visible and included in the final total. Important notice: due to upcoming regulations, credit card surcharges will no longer be permitted from the 1st of October, 2026. Ensure your business reviews how this feature is used to remain compliant. By setting up a percentage-based charge, you remove the need for manual calculations, keep charges consistent across all transactions, and save time at the point of sale.